Hey guys, today I'm going to do another Beyblade Burst unboxing. So this time I'm going to unbox Storm Spriggan or Spriggan S2 or Spryzen S2. Yeah, so far this is my second Burst Beyblade, and of course I got this at Toys R Us again because that's the only place where they're selling the Burst Beyblades as of now, and then next year they're probably going to sell it in other places. Yeah, so we got Spriggan battling Ragnarok again. Yeah, it's the same thing as Valkyries, but it's Spriggan. And we got the logo again, and got the blade and the launcher and the ripcord. Yeah, some people complain that Hasbro recolored the drivers of this and Ragnarok's. Like, for this, in the Takara version and in the show, the driver was red and the tip was white. But for this one, they recolored it gold and black. And they also painted this yellow and black. And for Ragnarok's, like the driver, it was originally yellow in the Takara version. Then they recolored it blue for some dumb reason. Yeah, I mean, I do like the gold on the drivers, so it's not that bad. But it's not as good as the Takara version, but it's still good. I still like it. And at the back, here are the parts of Spriggan. The layer, the disc, and the driver. And here are the stats. The attack and endurance are pretty equaled. And of course, like Dronzer, it's a combination type or frickin' balance type. I think it's also with Shinobi Saruman or Ninja Salamander. Yeah, and we got Valkyrie and Unicorn again, and the basic stadium. Yeah, so I guess I'll open it now. Gonna use my cutting tool first. Let's see if I can. Okay. And I ripped this part, but oh well. Yeah, so this might take a while again. Okay, finally got it out of the box. Here's the instruction manual and the Beyblade and the launcher and the ripcord. So, of course I'm going to take out the Beyblade and the launcher. Okay, so there are the parts and the launcher. Now I need to cut the ripcord, or the plastic of the ripcord. Okay, just move back a little. So here is the layer, and here's the code. And we got the disc, so shiny, and the driver. Oh yeah, the tip is kind of like a Unicorn, so just need to show you. Yeah, very similar, so that's cool. And need to put the ripcord in the launcher. And now I'm going to assemble this. And I already know how to assemble these now. So here's the blade. Looks pretty cool. And just going to put the box on the side. And the instruction manual. Okay. So before I do a test spin on this, I'm going to compare it. So here's Victory Valkyrie Yeah, and the tip is still okay. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. It's hard to see, but oh well. Here's Ninja Salamander, or Shinobi Saramanda. Is it a... Yeah, it's a combination type. I was originally going to show this first. Here's Dronzer S. And then Dronzer V2. Like with Valkyrie, I might do a battle against these two. Also with Dronzer S. And Dronzer GT. Yeah, and I still don't have Dronzer MS yet, but I'm getting it at the end of the year. Get these two. Here's Rock Leone. And Fang Leone. Yeah, so now I'm going to test spin it now. Here it is. And it bursted right away, like with Valkyrie. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and what's cool about the launchers for this, you can actually attach them. So just need to take these out, and I think it's like this, and yeah, and you can do this. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So this is the new double launcher. Yeah, and I forgot to mention this in the last burst unboxing, that the launcher holders are also like the original launcher holders, or whatever you call them. Yeah, so it's pretty cool that you can do that with the launchers. I just need to put this back. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing of Spriggan S2, or Storm Spriggan, or Spryzen S2. Show you the box again. Yeah. So the next burst unboxing will be Ragnarok or Kirby's, depending on which one I get next. Or I could probably do both. And I'll also get the double packs, but I might not do a unboxing on those. Maybe. And of course, I'm going to do burst battles when I get the other two and the double packs. Yeah, so just need to fix the camera angle again. Just alright. Yeah, so check out my other Beyblade unboxings, and make sure to check out the previous burst unboxing, Valkyrie V2 or Victory Valkyrie, and my other unboxings. And make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Twitch. Link will be in the description below. And what do you guys think of Spriggan's new look? Do you think it's okay? Do you think it's cool? Do you think it sucks? Let me guys know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and like always, I'm out. Peace.